In today's video, I'll teach you how to cut videos on gallery. So first of all, open the gallery application on your device. For me, the default gallery application is Google Photos. Now you can see over here Google Photos has been opened. Tap on the video that you would like to cut. Now you'll be able to view the video over here. Simply tap on your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. What you have to do is tap on this option edit that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to edit the video. You can see over here you'll be able to cut the video. What you have to do is simply select the start point and end point over here. You can see the slider over here. So simply drag the slider towards the right for the starting slider. Now release from where you want the video to be started. Likewise, drag the slider towards the left for the end point. Release where you want the video to end. Now after you do that, what you have to do is tap on the save option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now wait for a while and the video will be saved. Now you can see over here the video has been cut. So like this you'll be able to cut the videos. So that is how you cut videos on gallery. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.